The band upright row is an exercise for working your posterior deltoids as well as your traps. For this exercise, you're going to need a resistance band with handles. Begin standing with the handles of the resistance band in both hands, and place the middle of the resistance band underneath your feet at about mid-foot. Now crisscross the handles in the center so that your left hand is holding your right side handle and your right hand is holding the left side handle. Stand up tall with your chest pushed forward and your shoulders down away from your ears. Now, to begin the exercise, engage the back of your shoulders to pull the handles up in a straight line up your body, keeping your wrists soft. Stop when the handles are right in front of your shoulders, and then lower back down with control to the starting position. Up and back down is 1 repetition. Continue for the recommended number of repetitions in your training program. You should feel the work in this exercise in your shoulders, as well as your upper back.